How to add another account on Messenger 2024. Hey everybody, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick guide on how you can add a new account on Messenger very easily. So let's get started with it. First of all, open your Messenger application and make sure you're logged in. And if you want to add a new account, you just need to tap on this menu bar here. And you can see this drop down option. What you need to do is just tap on it. And here you can see the option called login into another account. Just tap on this plus icon and you will get to this interface where you need to enter your phone number or email address and your password to log in. Just enter your phone number or your email address and your password to log in. After that, within a second, you will be entering into the account. Your account will be added on that messenger, so you can easily switch accounts also. If you have a security code, you need to enter your security code also. And yeah, that's how you easily just add your account on messengers. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.